Hey, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. Today is closing day. The new owners of this home, as of today, took a Garthright model and stretched this thing out. I think that this is probably my favorite AB Homes builds that we've done in a very long time. Come on inside, let me show you what I mean. So when you come in the house, the first thing you notice is how open this floor plan is. So over here, what they did is they added an extra bedroom. So now you have three nice sized bedrooms on this side of the house, and it has a full bath over on this side of the house. Something else they did in here is they upgraded their appliance package. They expanded their island. This is a 10-foot island. Might be one of the biggest islands we put in a house. Range hood over top of the stove, massive walk-in pantry, tile backsplash. They really did it up in here. As you leave the main living area, you transition over to this part of the house. Look at the size of this garage. Look at this primary bedroom. Lots of natural light. The folks who built this house, they work from home, so they wanted a home office. So as you leave the primary bedroom and you pass the hers and hers closets, you come to this bathroom. This is a fantastic bathroom layout. They upgraded and did the slipper tub. Look at the size of the shower. They have your normal shower head. They added a handheld. They also added a rain head. They did dual vanities in here, and they both have their own linen closet on each side and a water closet. Normally, this house has a decent sized room over the garage. The folks that we built this house for, when they expanded the house out a little bit, they wanted to utilize more of the space upstairs. So what they did is they made another living room, and then as you walk from here back here, they had a bedroom added. And then since there's a bedroom up here, they figured they needed a full bath, so they added that as well. So a lot of our homes have walk-in attic spaces, but they don't have one like this. I think you can store things for every major holiday up in this attic space. I don't know what the people are gonna use this for, but man, you'd never have to throw anything away if you had storage like that. And if you ran out of room, you just felt the storage was a little tight, but wait, there's more. Check out the space over here. As always, we really appreciate you taking time to check out this beautiful home. The Garthright model, it fits so many needs, and there's so many levels of customization that you can do on it. If you'd like to learn more about AB Homes and who we are and what we do, find us on the web, abhomesva.com, or give me a call directly, 757-435-9900. We'd love the chance to talk to you about building your dreams in your next home.